nobody. I've never been in trouble.
Since August, a quiet scheme unfolds. Gift cards activated, money lost, and a trail leading back to one young employee. By November, the damage reaches thousands, and the truth begins to surface. What started as small acts for survival soon grows into a case of fraud, where desperation collides with law.
Since August 19th until November 5th, she has been activating gift cards without paying for them, and then keeping the gift cards for herself. And that's a total of $1,724.95 of losses that she has been causing.
Okay.
Now she also said that she had taken about $300 in cash, but I don't have any evidence of that, so that's just something that she verbally also said.
Okay. What's the handwritten side?
That's just her admission.
I'm Deputy Kramer. I'm here obviously in relation to the incident that's been going on with you and your employer. At this point in time, you have the...
Here, the deputy reads the Miranda rights. Anything she says from this point forward can be used in court, which makes her next answers critica.
Right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against...
I'm getting arrested.
Hang on. Just listen to me, okay? Just listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. With these rights in mind, do you wish to answer questions?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So what's been going on?
I've been taking money to buy food and stuff for me and my little sister for a little while.
Okay. And you said you're taking it to buy food for your little sister and you?
I've never been in any type of trouble in my life. I'm so scared.
What's the home life situation like? Is it
like,
just you and your sister? Or?
It's my mom, she works a lot, so she's not really there, so it's basically me and my sister, but she's with my older sister right now. Because my mom's at work and I'm at work. So I'm getting arrested. Because my mom's at work and I'm at work. So I'm getting arrested.
She asks why she's being arrested. The deputy explains her employer is pressing charges. In theft cases, that choice lies with the business.
So you will be going to jail today.
Who's gonna pardon me out?
You'll have to make a phone call from the jail, okay?
Why am I getting arrested?
So your employer wanted to pursue charges, okay?
I wanted to pursue charges.
Do you know the total dollar amount of money you took?
He told me $2,000.
How much do you think you took?
Like $1,000 maybe in total.
Okay. And how were you doing this?
The first I just took cash and then I was just getting the gift card.
So you'd scan the gift card and do what?
Just put an amount in that I needed.
Okay.
I don't know what's wrong with nobody. I've never been in trouble and nothing. And I've been freaking out because I don't think they're gonna get me out.
When did this start happening?
Maybe like a month or 2 months ago, maybe. But it wasn't like an everyday thing.
How many times a day would you do this?
Probably like three times.
How many times a day would you do this?
Probably like three.
She's trespassed from the store. That means if she ever returns to this workplace, she faces immediate arrest.
With the cards, but I stopped taking because I just started doing the cards.
How much in cash do you think you took?
Probably like 300 in total. Can I call her? Can I text her?
You can make a phone call.
You think I'll get out today?
So you probably won't get out today. You probably have to spend the night, and you'll get out first thing in the morning. You have to see a judge in the morning, okay?
No. I said I was gonna pay him back. I can't.
So unfortunately,
is there anything I can do so you won't press charges?
Unfortunately, this is what the company wants to do.
Can I have your driver's license?
Mom's here. Can you
Okay.
get her?
Yep, we're gonna walk out. We're gonna talk to her out there, okay? So just grab your stuff. This way. Do you want to have your mom take your stuff? Okay.
I don't know where she is.
So, I'm going to take you up to the jail. Alright. You'll hang out in there while I write my paperwork, and then you'll be turned over to them. They're going to basically put you into the system, and then you'll see a judge in the morning.
What time in the morning?
Around 8 o'clock. And then I'll go. If you want to sign here, this just means that you're also trespassed from this location, okay? They don't want you coming back. If you do, you will be arrested, okay? Do you want me to search her real quick?
Please.
You want to stand up against the vehicle real quick? Do you have anything on me that's going to poke me, prick me, anything that I should be concerned of now? No?
No.
Okay. Put your hands up here.
What's your mom look like?
She's black. She looks old.
You're going to have to take this off later. Are you okay to just take it off now?
Yeah.
We can give it to your mom, too. Here, Kramer. Spread your feet real quick.
I think this is her right here.
Okay, phone's gotta go with him.
Do you want your phone to go with you?
Or do you want your
Okay.
phone?
So, I'm going to give all of her stuff to you. Okay, I'll explain to you kind of what's going on. I don't know how much she explained to you. But I guess she was caught stealing from the business. I guess she was charging gift cards and pocketing the gift cards. And she's been doing it for a few months now. And I guess she also admitted to taking cash as well. But for a few months now. I guess she also admitted to taking cash as well. But
She's trespassed from the store. That means if she ever returns to this workplace, she faces immediate arrest.
due to the dollar amount, it does constitute a felony. So we don't have discretion on it. She's got to go. They're persistent on pursuing charges. So if you'd like, you can talk to her.
You gotta get me out of here. Mommy, look at me at work today. Mommy, you gotta get me out of here. Please. You gotta call everybody. You gotta call them. Here, I'm gonna take my password off so you can get into my phone. Call everybody. Get me out of here. Call Anna, call Mark, call everybody that's in my phone.
Elizabeth, do you want this to go with Mom?
Yeah.
This is just
Just
a
your
copy
copy.
of the trespass, okay?
Take all that.
This is the evidence. There.
So give it a little bit. She'll be able to give you a phone call. Once you get there, you'll be able to talk to the booking deputies, okay? They'll be able to give you a little more information of the process, okay? Alright, step back.
Can you tell her to call AJ if you see her?
12 before adult female 10
Tell her to
15.
call AJ.
AJ?
No, tell me when to call AJ.
Okay.
I'll go call her.
Yep. Thank you. So you'll see a judge, okay? And they're basically gonna read over the case and determine whether or not there's probable cause for the arrest, and then from there it's just gonna be a bond amount, okay? So tomorrow you'll be able to find out what they're gonna set as a bond. Find out what they're gonna set as a bond amount.
The charge is organized fraud under $20,000. Even though she's young, this felony record could follow her for life. The officer listens. The girl admits. Her choices shaped by hunger and struggle. Yet the company demands charges. Survival turns into crime. Mercy fades into procedure. And with the cuffs closing, a young life enters a system unforgiving of mistakes. Sometimes crime begins with hunger, not greed. A few cards, a few dollars, and now a felony that shadows her future. Each choice carries a cost, and once the law steps in, the path forward changes forever.